Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install AVG Antivirus. Now first of all download it from my given blog link and extract it by using any extraction tool like 7-zip or WinRAR. Then I will use 7-zip and extract it. After extraction, open the AVG Antivirus folder and read the instructions carefully. Now install AVG Antivirus. Click on yes. Click on continue. Now you see AVG Antivirus is completed. Install completed. Now crack it by using crack folder. Open it and open on serial keys. Click on menu, setting, allow me to decide. Click on OK. Now you see that AVG Antivirus has successfully installed and working perfectly. See this video and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.